Hi everyone! Sa video na ito, pag-aaralan natin kung paano i-simplify ang 2 raised to 3 times 2 raised to 4. So, madali lang ito kapag alam natin ang rules sa exponents. So, tingnan natin ang problem na 2 raised to 3 times 2 raised to 4. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng exponent? Kapag sinabi nating 2 raised to 3, ay tatlong beses nating imumultiply ang 2. 1, 2, and 3. So, 2 times 2 times 2. Ang 2 raised to 4 naman ay apat na beses nating imumultiply ang 2. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang exponent ang nagsasabi kung ilang beses nating imumultiply ang base. So, meron tayong simpleng rule sa exponents na kapag pareho ang base, we have a raised to m times a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. Kinokopya natin ang parehong base which is ang a at ina-add natin ang exponent. So sa problem natin, ang given natin ay 2 raised to 3 times 2 raised to 4. So it is equal to, again, ang base natin dito ay 2. So kokopyahin lang natin ang base na 2 and then i-add natin ang kanilang mga exponent. So 3 plus 4. So we have 3 plus 4. So 2 raised to 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 is 7. So we have now 2 raised to 7 power. Then i-expand natin ang 2 raised to 7. 2 raised to 7 meaning imumultiply natin ang 2 ng 7 beses. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. Times 2 equals 8. Times 2 equals 16. 16 times 2 equals 32. 32 times 2 is 64. 64 times 2 equals 128. So, 2 raised to 3 times 2 raised to 4, the answer is 128. So, lagi nating tatandaan na kapag pareho ang base, ay i-add natin ang kanilang exponent. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!